So now logo this is the logo we want to design, something like that. So but our own is going to be about furniture. So just to design a 3D logo there, once you get the image, you download it, go to ChatGPT and ask it about the prompt. So I have gotten the already prompt, it is already on my notepad. So I'm just go to my notepad. I'm already editing it here. So here is where we go. Let's edit, put the phone number 09023806770. All right. www. So this is the website. Okay. Number I hope you are following. Make sure you edit everything properly. Make sure you don't make mistake for the editing, because once you make mistake, that is all, and it is going to cost you to start afresh and create the image. Okay. High ultra professional branding presentation. Yeah, photorealistic, all those things. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to copy it. Check the picture. Okay, let me just copy it and paste it on ChatGPT. If there is any mistake, we will know. Okay, so copy it, paste it on ChatGPT. Yes, our ChatGPT there. I'm going to paste the prompt here and wait for the image to create. Let's wait, the image is processing. What you have to do here is just to be very careful in editing. The editing is so simple, but you have to be very careful. Like, the process is simple, but you have to be so sorry, you have to be much careful in editing the prompts. Okay, This is just a simple way. I'm just offering this thing for free, just to give out some knowledge. Okay, not, I know this course now is not less than 3,000. 3,000 naira is not less than 3,000 naira for you to learn this course. So as you can see, this is the, oh my god, this is the as you can, this is the 3D logo. Like, oh, it's very 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 beautiful. Okay, so that is it. Click on here, then you can download it. You can download it immediately. So I hope you guys are getting a part from this class. As you follow this class, make sure give a like, comment, and we keep going. I get you covered. Love you all. Bye.